Today I was just thinking, why don't I build something using agents? There is a previous video which I've made. Using the Google Gemini agents, and it's called as predictive maintenance application. So if you guys do get some time, please check that out. And yeah, it's a really interesting video which I've made as a capstone project. During the 5-day AI agents intensive course with Google. So it was an amazing session. From that session, I was just thinking, okay, why don't I, leverage this agent and make that agent as a template, and then why don't I make this something like plug and play, wherein all of you can just go ahead and use that agent as a template, and it can be readily integrated into your applications. So I was just thinking about that. And meanwhile, I'm also working on the N8N workflows, which is also quite interesting. So I was planning to do a customer sentiment analysis report for the chatbot, which I've recently developed. Customer sentiment analysis is one of the emerging, use cases, which is currently trending. And recently, Zapier has bought in, quite a number of cool templates, like the agentic template. So I was trying out those things, and it was like really quick. I was able to, just integrate the agentic template to the Zendesk application, and I was also able to um, get an analysis report out of that. So I would say I just made it within maybe within 10 minutes, I would say, because yeah, I just took some time to figure out what is what. And so I thought, okay, let me also show you guys how I did it. And today we'll do something interesting, that is, let's build something within 10 minutes using AI. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let's start. So I'm gonna set up the timer. So it is already started. Okay, for 10 minutes. So go to new agents. So you have a couple of over here. You can, do check this out later. So I'm going with customer sentiment analysis. This is the one which I was talking about. So it's on demand. So you readily get a template which you can just, integrate within one of your ticketing system. So yes, go ahead and then create it. And yes, so I'm gonna retrieve the tickets from my Zendesk account. So all you have to do is you have to connect it with your Zendesk account, and choose the column properties over here and add knowledge source. Okay, yes, it's getting set. So it's uh, connected to my Zendesk ticketing system. So these are the instructions which the bot would follow. So retrieve the most recent tickets from Zendesk, analyze and categorize the feedback, and then group these categorized sentiments into a report and add it to a Google Doc. Okay. So yes, so these are all the default tools, Google Docs. Okay, so let's get into the agent review now. So I'm gonna test my agent. Okay, so it'll help you analyze customer sentiment by retrieving recent tickets. So it's the most recent tickets. Okay, it's last 90 days, which it's fetching. Okay, okay, it's summarizing the results. It's analyzing the data and categorizing the feedback. Okay, it is creating a preview of the report. All right, these are all the contents which it has extracted. Okay, so I'll have to approve this because I'm testing the agent, but otherwise you don't have to do this once you publish it. Okay, something is in progress. Okay, workflow is complete. It has analyzed 3 tickets. Wonderful. Okay, the complete sentiment analysis is now available in your Google Docs. So if I go and open this document, okay, give me the document. Okay, so this is the link. Oh wow, this is really nice, no? It's really cool. So let me just show you guys. It has a report date, analysis period, total tickets analyzed, executive summary, sentiment distribution. It has negative sentiment is 33%, neutral is 33, unclassified 33, positive is 0. Okay. So that's, yeah, each tickets it has given a detailed explanation if you see here, right? It's really awesome. And yes, metrics to monitor. It is also giving you some, suggestions like how can you, mitigate and improve your customer sentiment analysis in future. Address to open high priority tickets, implement weekly sentiment analysis reporting, review and update standard response template, schedule product quality, establish customer feedback, and so on and so forth. And report is prepared by workflow agent. Wow, this is so cool, isn't it? Okay, so let's go back. Now, what I want the agent to do is that I want the agent to give me a visualization of this report. Give me a visualization. Okay. Okay, it's going and creating a visualization for me. Because most of the time these reports are very detailed and people find it really difficult. But if you have a visualization so that you get to summarize the entire report very quickly, right? Rather than going one by one and in detail. So this would really help in that case. So that's the reason, like if in nowadays in any report you see charts and dashboards and things like that, it's really quick for somebody to analyze them. Okay, so it's generating a preview. Okay, so I'm approving this. Woohoo, I think it's almost done. Perfect. Okay, it's created a dashboard for me. Okay, visual dashboard. Okay, both are saved in my Google Doc. Okay, so this is the link. Let's go and open up. Wow, customer sentiment visual dashboard. Okay, these are the metrics. Total tickets analyzed 3, high priorities 2, open 3, negative sentiment rate 33%, pie chart representation. Okay, customer sentiment breakdown, priority level analysis. Okay, wow, this is really cool, right? Status indicator, okay. Overdue, pending, critical alerts, trend analysis, awesome. Declining. Oh, I've never expected the report to be, have these many details. I think they've really done a good job here. Except for the spacing and formatting that needs to be addressed, but still, that's fine, right? I think they're still in their beta version. So, wow, really amazing for me. Okay, so I would suggest you guys go check these agents, so that you have an idea of how this really works. Because I think there are a number of cool agents over here. You have support email agent, right? So something which I can also try to integrate within my chatbot. So the next thing which I'm actually working on is that I would, build an agent just like, the customer sentiment analysis using N8N, and I'm trying to integrate that within my chatbot application. So let's see how that goes. Okay. Okay. I think it's time. So let's see. Yes, we are getting closer. So voila, that's it. And uh, we have built an application within 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, then I think that's pretty much for today. I will see you all guys very soon. As soon as I complete the implementation using the workflow, okay, of N8N, so that I'll show you all how did I do it, and you'll also get an idea. Okay, so till then, bye bye. See you all.